guys, here we are at Dollar Tree, and they have some florals in here mixed in with the plus section vases and the crafter square stuff. I also have some boxes here in the aisles, so I'm pretty sure not everything's out. I'm looking for floral wire. I'm going to take you through and show you what they have, guys. So I'm loving these sunflowers. Okay, let's see. So I love these little floral vase with the 6 holes. I like those. Then you have some planters over there, and here's some florals. Those sunflowers are looking nice. Don't forget that the florals are $1.75 a bunch, a small bunch. Let's see. Okay, so this is floral tape. I need floral wire. So look at these. Now it says $3, so I'm pretty sure this size is $3, but I'm not positive. These are $5, so at least these are clearly marked, and these are beautiful, and they don't feel like they're ribbed on the outside. They're ribbed on the inside. I like that. That's really nice. So let's see. They have the bigger one of these, and they have the smaller one of these, and look at that. So I like that size, so I like that vase. Here's a smaller one, and here's a taller one. I always like these tall ones. They are beautiful, aren't they? So not sure how much any of this stuff is. This vase here is new. I'm not particularly a fan, but it's new, so I'm showing it to you. This is not new. So honestly speaking, I can't really tell you the prices of any of these. I can tell you I absolutely love this vase. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that vase. And this here is a new shape vase, and I'm loving that as well. So they have the smaller version of this. Isn't that a beautiful vase, guys? Look at that. So I love that vase. I have the smaller version, and I love these. Oh my goodness. So those are usually here, regular ones. And then look, these smaller fish bowls. And then they have the slightly bigger ones. And these just remind me of stemless wine glasses. But I love these, guys. I love these ribbed vases, and especially this one. It reminds me of amber. Okay, so more floral tape. Here you have in the bling wrap. They even have it in the blue. Okay, here's some nautical rope. You have some yarn and some moss. The nautical rope, let me see how long this is. They feel so much thinner, guys. 9.5. Okay, so I like this ribbon, especially that black and red one. Then you have the grosgrain ribbon right here, and you have some woven baskets right there. Here's the deco mesh and those colors. And then you have some wire. Okay, so I like the white. I like the blue burlap ribbon. Here's the red. I'm kind of liking them except for the pink. Okay, and then you have the lace. So here it is in the cream color, and here it is in the white. And these look velvety. Don't they look velvety? Okay, then you have the diamond wrap with the adhesive in the back. And you have the pearls in 2 different sizes, and I like these. Okay, you have some more wreath forms, and that back one over there is pretty big. Let's see. So you have some wood shelf. Of course, some of these things are empty. Okay, you have some white rope and some rocks, some stones, and white rock. Okay, let's see. So I like these right here, these tea lights. These are really nice, guys. Those are nice. And look how big. So this is like an 18-inch wreath form, and then it goes down, tapers down. So I thought these were nice. I like the wrap on those. And these are the lanterns along the bottom. Some of these shelves are empty, guys. I like their candles. I really like the way they look. Farmhouse cedar. And look, see, so this is the smaller one, and then this is the bigger one. I like these colors. Here's the red, and this is a pretty color too. I like that. And this says dragon fruit. And so you have some more festive. A lot of candle wax melts, tapered candles. These are really nice, these trinket boxes. And this lilac here, this is really nice. So here's some candle holders. Here's the wood one. I never seen this. Always grateful. These are those chains, and these are those decorative balls. You have the candles along the bottom. Candle holders here. See, these are new. So those are nice, and they come in this color and this one. Okay, and then you have some of these tea lights, and they come in scents, and here's some more essence and some more. You have so many candles here in wax melts, guys. And now these are the colors they have in these. Aren't they pretty? This is very pretty, this one. Then they have these vases, and these candle holders are really nice. These have come back. Well, at least here, they went away for a while and now they're back. These are really nice. Here's some more ribbed candles. Look at this one. This one looks nice. Okay, and then these little ones are really nice, and I'm liking these. And then these are really pretty as well. Okay, so now over here, this reminds me of summertime, the bee. Then you have the love sign. It's not pretty, guys. And then over here you have sashes. And that's an aroma diffuser, LED lights. Okay, so that is this side here. So let's come around this side. So we have some yarn on this side here, and this is all blocked off. I don't even know if I can walk through there. So here's where they have their stickers. Okay, they have a lot of nice stickers here. So I don't necessarily fit in here, but I'm walking through, guys. So these stickers are really pretty. I just can't back up enough to show you all of it. Some of these are self-adhesive stencils. Those are nice, and I love the black chalkboard stickers. Those are so nice. And look at this. So they have these rabbits out. This is all spring stuff. And look, they have a glue gun. That's interesting. And I like the foam noodle knife. I got to get myself some of those. Here's some more candle holders. All right. So they have the birds in these colors. I like this. So this is nice for crafting, guys. And look, they have, so I love these rabbits. Here's the marble kind, and here's the distressed white one. They are beautiful. So these are ceramic. These animals here are ceramic, and then you have some felt sheets and some of those clear stamps. This says heart teacher, best teacher forever. And so I can't get to the wood stuff the way I want to, guys, but I'm just gonna skim right through here and show you. So these are ceramic. Here's the truck. And this looks like some art. I love these trays, and these are really nice. So they have wood assorted shapes. So let me show you. This is the heart, this is the leaf, and this is the butterfly, owl, and the dog. So you have the signs, and I like these frames, guys. I really like these frames, and they come in all different shapes. Okay, here's the star. Okay, and here's the gnome over here. All right, now we get into the paint area and the canvas. Let me get out of here because I'm squished in here. So I never seen these, but I don't buy that. All right, so we have some paint, very little. Here's some burlap. Here's some burlap canvas. And these are acrylic boards. So they have acrylic boards. They're just small. These, I guess you can work with them and make your own coasters. And they have some paint here. All right, so they have some wooden cutout words. So they have memory, magic, celebrate, hugs, and they have different cutouts. So I never seen these, nor have I tried these kind of paint. Let's see. A lot of the shelves are empty because everything's in the box. Okay, so they have the wooden beads over here, and they do have them in the white. They have the smaller ones and all these multicolors, and here's different shapes. Okay, they have the little funnels. Isn't that cute? Could probably use that. And then you have some different kinds of beads and gems. Okay, some Mod Podge. What are these? So look at this, they have little football. You can make jewelry with that. Let's see. All right, so that's my card. It's empty. I didn't get anything yet. Okay, so here is some other crafting stuff. Here's an apron, here's a pom-pom maker, a roller cutter, here is a chalk writer, some scrap fabric, here is some clothespins, and here is some beads. And as you can see, so the vases up there I really like. And I also like those LED ones up on the top over here. That's really nice. And here's some more candles. So that's all they have right now here in the crafter section. Okay, these are real pretty. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification board. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.